Hello everyone, let's talk about the new changes coming to the classic command prompt experience on Windows 11. So Microsoft recently released Windows 11 build 29.5.58 in the Canary channel, and the most significant change is that the company is now bringing a wave of improvements from the open source Windows Terminal project directly into the legacy Windows console. The Windows console has long been the base for PowerShell command prompt and the Windows subsystem for Linux. Now the company is aligning it more closely with the Windows Terminal open source project on GitHub, but integrating enhancement directly into the system experience. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of the optional direct 3D rendering path designed to improve visual performance and consistency. Microsoft notes that scrolling operations can be up to 10 times faster in certain scenarios, a major upgrade from developers and power users handling large outputs. Clipboard reliability has also been improved. A long-standing issue where pasted characters could be lost due to code page limitations has now been resolved too. Additional clipboard enhancement includes support for OSC 52, which allows terminal applications to interact directly with the clipboard data. At the same time, the Windows console is gaining features that were previously limited to more advanced terminal environments. The Find experience has been upgraded with support for regular expressions, making it easier to search through complex command outputs. The console can now also render inline images using 6L, which means that tools like the Windows Package Manager or Winget can display app icons and richer visual elements directly in the terminal. As part of this update, the text rendering has also been improved with support for bold fonts in the original engine. In contrast, long-standing issues with rectangular text selection has been addressed to restore expected behavior. Together, these changes bring the classic console much closer to the capabilities users typically associate with the modern terminals like the Windows Terminal, without requiring a full switch. Microsoft is also addressing accessibility with a rewrite of the legacy MS-AA integration and improvements to the interface automation support. This results in better compatibility with screen readers and assistant technologies. The update also introduces redesigned pop-ups dialog inside of the console, including improvements to the F7 command history and line editing windows. These changes enhance usability while ensuring better interoperability with modern terminal tools. Even further, snap-on input behavior has been refined and it is now enabled by default only when virtual terminal processing is active. This results in a more predictable behavior, especially when working across environments like PowerShell and WSL. Other fixes include improved handling of the Alt plus numpad input from the clipboard text, avoiding text corruption in certain code pages such as 936. In summary, the classic command prompt is no longer updated as a standalone component. Instead, Microsoft is now integrating improvements directly from the open source Windows Terminal project on GitHub. By bringing these enhancements into the Windows console, the company is narrowing the gap between the legacy and modern command line environment. Although the Windows Terminal remains the flagship experience, these updates ensure that even traditional console sessions benefit from ongoing improvements. Microsoft is currently testing this merge through the optional path in the Canary channel with the release of build 29.5.58, and it is unclear when these changes will arrive to everyone. And that's it. Let me know what you think about Microsoft merging the technologies from the Windows Terminal into the classic command console. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.